नॉर्मली आपको क्या क्या चाहिए इसको करने के लिए? थिंग इज दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू कैन टेक एनी आई शेडो पैलेट, बट फॉल आउट शुड बी लेस. Point 1. Second, in that contour shade should be there and blush shade should be there and black also. So I don't have black in this Mars palette, so I am taking this palette. Then apart from that, you want any color which is water activated. This is Kryolan Aqua Paint. This is a black shade I need, so it will be activated through water. Third thing, you need some more brushes. Brushes like I will tell you. Here I am taking this angular brush, flat angular brush for eyebrow. 2 thin liner brush I am taking. This one for lipstick application. This one small smudger brush, it is required, and medium smudger brush. This one fluffy brush I have taken. This one again one more extra I have taken this liner brush. Totally I have 3 because wherever I have to apply brown shade I'll pick one, and for black lining purpose I'll pick one. I have kept 3. This one you can take any fluffy brush just to wipe out extra product, like extra powdery product to clean this one, or anything you can take. Okay, and this one flat small flat applicator brush. This one will be useful. Here I am taking fluffy angular brush. This is the small one. It will help me to do nose contour and face contour. Then this one I just kept for face purpose. So here are the brushes. Apart from that, what else you need? You just keep pencil rubber. It will be helpful, and some Q-tips. Okay. So I am picking this lighter shade right now. I'll work with lighter. Okay. समझ में आ रहा है? And see, you have to pick very light product. And I'm just shaping.
Black color.
First you will work with lighter one, then you go with black. And you know that eyebrows we don't have to start from here blank. So lighter you have to work. External part you can do black. See, I just have picked high, this one low, right? So accordingly I have to merge, manage. And I'm picking very less product. Do not apply any creamy product. Okay, and here starting you can take in a smaller brush. First I am taking the small applicator brush. See, it's very small, and I will choose one transition shade first. And transition shade, you can see the crease line is already there. So I'll just deposit, and my pressure is very less, and slowly I'm just smudging. This is how I use this brush. Any fluffy brush you can use, no problem. And same, I'm just trying to drag towards this because I am feeling this is a bit darker. Okay. And I'm just trying. Done. So here shade I have chosen, which was a bit darker. You can take even lighter this shade also. So now to merge this one, you can pick even lighter shade because you have to remove this line, and I'm picking the shade which is little light. You have to just touch, one touch. Next I'll just apply, and I'll just blend. However you are doing, crease, outer and external you are blending, same only. One touch. If I feel it is more, then I'll touch somewhere else. See, I'm just blending the external first, and after that I'm just swiping inside. If you are feeling it's more dark, then you just have to increase. Pressure should be very light. You have to hold away from the bristle so that pressure will be very light. And right now I want this impact to be blended, because when you are working on your eyes, these are blended, right? आपको ब्लेंड रहता है पूरा अच्छे से. एंड मैं स्मजर ब्रश में और प्रोडक्ट पिक नहीं कर रही हूँ, जो भी है मैं अच्छे से इसे ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ. सेम ब्रश पे मैं देखो पूरा नीचे भी ब्लेंडिंग कर रही हूँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रोडक्ट बिल्डअप कर रही हूँ. Closer I'll go for brown shade, dark brown. Bottom I'm just smudging. You can take small smudger brush and do. And you see. Now same brush, I'm just trying to blend. The more you blend, better it will be result. Okay. So first you do all over this. Use the foundation shade you are giving. The lighter one you have to use. You can use your compact powder also, because that will give you shade to the paper. This is see white and this one. This is the foundation. And right now I am applying randomly because I want all over. You know, for face we are doing one shade. After that we are enhancing, right? So right now I am doing the same. Like I am doing foundation properly. And always take care, like you shouldn't do outside. In case you are doing, no problem, wipe with this eraser. Done. So now I'll add features. Like this is. And this one always says this. आपका ये ऐसा ही रहता है हर किसी का. Make a lightweight circle so that you will get idea. And burning pressure I am giving very light. Now I will do straight line. See? I am not using this little darker. Suddenly if you apply this one, you are going to damage the paper. And you have to blend towards this line. This should be straight. Here should be curved. Okay? अभी देखो मुझे लग रहा है मेरा नाउस थोड़ा सा tilted है, ऐसा bent है. So what I'll do once I'm done, so let me do this all properly. This should be straight line. This should be straight line. I'm not curving. Curve should be here. Here. This is straight. I'll take eraser. Like this if you keep, then you'll be able to see straight. Right? And with light pressure you have to. Means you are just highlighting. Okay. Again you take small smudger brush and see, I'm not picking product because I know whatever it was there before, I'll be able to manage with that. Suddenly do not pick product. Okay. Next I'll go for cheekbone contour. See, already it is there, cheekbone. Right? So you have to work accordingly. Same shade I'll pick. And you see. And I'm just trying to shade out. And if you are noticing, I'm not picking even more darker color. Until unless it's required, I'll not pick. So this two sides you have to match. Done. So see this line, I'm just doing smudging because अब contour में ऐसा लिफ्ट देते हो ना, blend करते हो ऊपर की तरफ. So मैं इसी से ये कर रही हूँ, lifted effect दे रही हूँ. Okay. And also you have to work for this jawline. In this stage, if you are feeling you want to intensify, little darker for this contour shade. But pressure you have to give less. And smudging out, ऊपर की तरफ. This is how we do contour on face. We lift the shade towards up direction. So I am just doing the same. Now मैं feel कर रही हूँ कि कुछ prominent line है, मैं इसी से blend करूँगी. This side I have taken थोड़ा बाल पहले ये लिया, फिर इंटेंस के लिए ये ले, तो मैं ये शेड ही लूँगी. I'll not go with that again because वो ज़्यादा आपको फील कराएगा कि ज़्यादा शेड है. नहीं सी. And also here hairline. This one you have to forehead, right? आपको ये भी शेडिंग देना है. When you are working and giving shading, you are giving a shape to face. दिस एरिया डोंट वर्क मोर बिकॉज वी हैव टू ड्रॉ हेयर लाइन, अगर आपको ड्रॉ करना है. दिस द पेपर फोल्ड. And again direction you know from here towards your face, right? Same only you have to work on paper, but notice how I am holding the brush and how I am blending, because ये brush में मुझे circle चाहिए and यहाँ पे blended it. Is it coming? And see the line I am doing. Now you can see intensity. This
So this is the powder only or cream?
only powder. No, I am not touching any cream. Only powder. See? Because we have to work on this brush, right? The more practice you do with this brush, you'll be able to. Don't climb. And one more thing, this one will give you control on this, like how pressure, how much you have to give, how much light you have to do. Okay.
You must be good in drawing.
If I'll not see from closer, I'll not be able to do. Okay. एक बार मैं ऐसे पेपर आर्ट बिकॉज जब आप जो ब्लैक फील करोगे, ये जो गैप है ना बिटवीन योर लैशेस, वो गायब होगा. You can give stroke for eyebrows also. मैं ये कर रही हूँ, मतलब यहाँ पे डिप देके ऊपर की तरफ स्वाइप कर रही हूँ. सेम ऊपर देके करूँगी. इफ़ यू वांट टू चेंज द लिप शेप ऑल्सो यू कैन, बट उसके लिए आपको डार्क कलर चूज़ करना पड़ेगा. यू कैन नॉट डू विथ लाइट कलर. ये आपका ऑमरे इफेक्ट जैसा क्रिएट करता है ना, ऐसा क्रिएट करेगा. एंड जैसे कि व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग नो क्रिएट नहीं कर रहा है, थोड़ा सा लाइट शेड लेके द ओनली थिंग आई एम फीलिंग कि ये जो लिप का जो गैप है मैंने उस पर भी अप्लाई किया है, थोड़ा सा वो निकाल लेते हैं. एंड मुझे इस केस में थोड़ा सा पेंसिल चाहिए, और एल्स यू कैन यूज द ब्रश ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई वांट शेप प्रॉपर्ली डिफाइन होगा. नेक्स्ट यू कैन गो फॉर हर हेयर. हेयर आपको जैसा पसंद है उस हिसाब से करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so how it is. In case you want blue eyes, you can go with blue. I want blue one. वो बड़ा वाला blue. See, मैं आइस में लिटिल पेंसिल में थोड़ा सा ये कर रही हूँ, right? And उसके बाद अंदर मैं कलर दूंगी। अगर आप चाहो तो ब्रश क्लीन करके अगर लेते तो थोड़ा और अच्छे से आता। वो ब्रश में था ये कलर। She is pretty.
You make her pretty.
Thank you.